Hello. Today is December 25th, 2013. My name is Flora Richardson, and I am living in the state of Georgia. The purpose of this video is to expose Governor Nathan Deal's administration for the unethical, illegal actions that were committed and perpetrated by the Department of Family and Children's Services that caused my grandchildren to be literally made orphans. I'm holding Governor Nathan Deal responsible, and in a newsletter I'm labeling him the orphan maker because he's idly stood by and watched my grandchildren literally made orphans. It is my intent to take this case to the United States Department of Justice Criminal Division because perjury, falsification of records, and a host of other infractions committed by state employees and state officials are illegal. State employees seem to feel that they have carte blanche, that they can do what they want to do to citizens, and they can't be held accountable or brought to justice because of the 11th Amendment. However, the 11th Amendment affords citizens, such as myself, an out, a way to get around that, a way to pull those who commit such, they can be no less called atrocities against families, from underneath the protection of the 11th Amendment. The 11th Amendment does not condone perjury. It does not condone falsification of records. It does not condone unethical behavior. And anyone that commits that can be stripped of the protection of the 11th Amendment by the stripping doctrine. And that would include Governor Nathan Deal. There will be a series of videos starting after the first of the year. There will be a newsletter that will go out, that will be published, distributed, so that light can be put on the situation that exists within the state of Georgia. During slavery times, your children could be taken and nothing could be done about it. And that aspect, when you look at it from that perspective, Georgia still operates as a slave state. My grandchildren were taken, and I was, in so many words and so many actions, told, there's nothing that you can do about it. Governor Deal could have done something about it, as Governor Perdue did during his administration when the Department of Family and Children's Services attempted to hinder me from raising and adopting my son's children. If anyone that sees this has any comments, if anyone is in the system, if anyone has been done an injustice by the system, I can be contacted at florarichardson@hotmail.com or Mothersagainstdfacts.org @gmail.com. I will be posting videos weekly until someone raises their head. I'm going to the White House with this issue because I will fight until I have no breath left in me for my grandchildren who were unjustly and unfairly taken away from me. The Department of Family and Children's Services had no concern for what the emotional damage would do to them, or to me, or to my family, and they must be held accountable.